Here I've got UMIDIGI Z2, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for a while, and once you see power off icon, just keep holding until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. Tap on OK to activate it, and just within a couple of seconds you will be in safe mode, in which all third-party applications are deactivated. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode. Here you've got the notification, and you can check if some issues that you are having with your device are caused by applications or device itself. And then if you'd like to switch safe mode off, just tap on power key and select restart. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the standard mode. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.